Migraines. Often considered severe headaches, migraines are actually disease of the nervous system. Accounts of migraines date back to 3000 BC, where patients are recorded to have suffered from extreme throbbing on one or both sides of the head, nausea, dizziness, eye pain, heightened sensitivity to light, sound, or smell, and visual disturbances. Modern scientific technology has allowed scientists to dive further into the biological causes of migraines. The condition was originally described as a predictable repetitive sequence. The nerve is stimulated by incoming sensory or motor signals, the nerve releases chemicals such as serotonin, and the changes in chemical concentration result in an inflammatory response in which blood vessels contract and dilate, causing migraine symptoms. The process seems pretty straightforward, right? In actuality, the process is much more complicated. It has recently been proposed that migraines are not an isolated condition, but arise from pre-existing conditions such as stroke, high blood pressure, and depression. For example, in individuals with chronic depression, studies of the brain have shown that a cortical wave of depression can cause widespread depolarization of neurons in the cerebral cortex, triggering migraines. Effects of migraines range with each individual. MRIs of migraine sufferers have shown scarring of brain tissue and an increased risk of stroke. Visual disturbances called aura that affect 25% of migraine sufferers can additionally disrupt up to 50% of normal vision. Labeled the 19th most disabling condition of humans worldwide by the World Health Organization, this nervous system disease now affects over 1 billion people. Often the best solution is sleep, but there are no permanent cures. Temporary treatments target the neuron. The neuron receives signals of the dendrites and carries the signals to nearby cells through the axon. Treatments including CGRP, calcitonin gene-related peptide antagonists, and triptans utilize competitive inhibition to block CGRP and serotonin receptors. This prevents nearby cells from receiving the neurotransmitters and can thus effectively reduce migraine pains. To conclude, the migraine affects the nervous system. Stimuli from the peripheral nervous system, consisting of nerves throughout the body, affect nerves in the brain, which are part of the central nervous system. Doctors and scientists are still working on a permanent cure to prevent migraines. Thank you for listening.